How do I remove and replace a torque blade in a kwikset deadbolt lock? I have a longer torque blade that I need to use due to the thickness of the door. Thank you.
Hello. It is my pleasure to be working with you today. First, you would remove the 2 inside screws to the deadbolt. Remove outside cylinder. There will be a clip looks like a C-clip with a tab in the middle which holds the torque blade in place, that needs to slide off in order to install the new tailpiece, torque blade. There is a special tool which is used to remove the clip. You can take a small flat blade screwdriver and pry the clip back also to remove if you do not have the tool. Remove the clip. Remove the existing torque blade. Install the new torque blade. Reinstall the clip. The torque blade will rotate 180 degrees either way. Standing on the outside of the door. With lock cylinder in hand. Rotate the torque blade towards the hinge side of the door. Insert the cylinder with torque blade into the bolt. Install the 2 screws back into the lock itself. Try the key, make sure the bolt is moving in and out freely, being able to remove the key. If not, then you will need to remove the cylinder. Rotate the torque blade the opposite direction 180 degrees. Let me know how you made out. Thanks, Bob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.